Good day, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about the JavaScript array for each method. The for each method runs a function, a callback function for each item in an array. So starting off, I want to explain what I have in my screen. I have an array of numbers called nums, numbered 1 to 7. And what we're going to do with that number is we're going to run the for each method on it and log out the value, log out the index, then log out the array itself so that we can see how the for each method works. So I have the array already defined here. So what I'm going to do here is write nums dot for each, then we put in the callback function, and this callback function accepts three arguments. The first one is the value, the second one is the index, and the third one is the array itself. So what we can do here is log out the value first. Yeah, so instead of running this in the browser, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run Quacker.js, which is an extension in Visual Studio Code that allows me run native JavaScript in my text editor. So you guys should check it out. It's a pretty nice extension. So back to the tutorial. As you can see, we have the values being logged out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 being logged out. So what is happening is that the for each method is an iteration method. It iterates through the array. So it goes to the first item, logs out the value, which is 1. Goes to the second item, logs out the value, which is 2. Goes to the third item, and so on. So if I log out the index, now you see we have the index being logged out. So what is the index, right? So remember, in array in JavaScript, when counting, you start from index 0, not 1. Yeah. So 1 is index 0, 2 is index 1, 3 is index 2, and so on. That's why we have this result right here. We can also log out the array itself. As you can see, what it does is logs out the array for each not for the number of times we have it logs out the array for the number of elements we have in the array itself. So we have 7 elements in the array. It logs out the array 7 times. Oh, you can use this to do so many other things, and it's the for each method used to solve different problems. To note that the for each method does not return a new array, nor does it mutate the original array. So it's just to keep that in mind. Thank you for watching this video. Yeah, and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you will. See you next time.